How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the removal and installation of your door lock actuators, covering all 1999 to 2004 Mustangs. Having a bad door lock actuator can be a pain. This one can cause you not to be able to allow you to secure your vehicle properly. Follow along and we will show you how this one goes into place. First, start off by removing the inner door panel. Check out the link on the description below to show you how this one is done. Next, you will need to remove the moisture barrier if equipped. Now you can locate the electrical connections on the latch and the actuator. I chose to disconnect both of these to give me a little bit more room to work. These actuators are held in place by a few retention slots on the latch mechanism. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, pry outward to dislodge the actuator. Be careful here so you do not bend or damage any of the internal components on the door panel. Once you have the old one free, you can go back in with a new one. Align the tabs and the actuator arm in place. You can move this by hand if you need it for the alignment. Press on the actuator until fully seated against the latch. Now you can reconnect all of your electrical connections. Check over your work and verify proper operation. Then you can reinstall the moisture barrier and the door panel, and then you are complete. Well, everyone, this one is an easy job to do. There's nothing worse than having one of your actuators fail, but as you can see here, it's a simple task to get this one done. This one should take you roughly about an hour per side from start to finish. Some of the tools included would be an assortment of screwdrivers and a socket set. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and turn on notifications so you can be up to date with all the new tech content like this one. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.